Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, and now select Edit. Here tap on Add Photo, choose photo from your gallery. Now you can smoothly crop it however you like. You can rotate it also. And then click on Save Copy. To finish the whole operation, just tap on Save, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to this particular contact, and anytime this contact would be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.